Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Everyone who came to the Whatnot show Saturday, thank you so much. We had such a great time. It's always a party in those shows, even if you just come to hang out and chat and see the stuff. We did box IDs, we did old 5-packs, we did treasure hunts, we did Zammix. It gave away mystery packs to new people that just came in to make their first purchase. So it was a great time. It's a great community that we're building, and I'm so happy to have all of you in it. If you remember, over the last few months, we found one Golf 32 Ford. We found two Golf 32 Fords. We found three Golf 32 Ford super treasure hunts, as you can see right here in front of me. And then, of course, one weird day, checking a wall fart, go over to the bin. Dude, flip it over, and what do we see? A fourth 32 Ford Super Treasure Hunt. Dude, how crazy is that? And it was in the barrel, dude. And the card is like, it's nice. The card is nicer than the very first one I found that was out of the case. I mean, it's unreal. It's just unbelievable. Okay, so I've been really thinking hard about this. I think 3 was my limit before. I think I've found up to 3 super treasure hunts from Hot Wheels, or of one type of super treasure hunt. Right now, we are looking at 4. So this is my record. I've never found 4 super treasure hunts of any kind. The van, I know I found 3 of. The Caffer, I have 3 of. And there's others that I for sure have 2 of. There's probably others that are 2 or 3 that I just can't think of them, without seeing them. So, unbelievable. How cool, man. How cool. The Volkswagen, the van, the 32 Ford. We do have some extras. I really need to think about what to do with them. Giveaways, sell, like what to do, because I don't need all of this stuff. I just want to get my collection a little bit smaller. I'm going to do that by either giving away or selling these items to you guys, because it's time to clean up a little. I bought a lot of stuff over the years. We now have a platform like Whatnot Collectibles that can help us get rid of some of this stuff. And when I say get rid of, I don't mean sell. I mean get rid of it. I do dollar starts on there all the time. Even the box IDs this weekend were a dollar start. I can. There's a few things that if I just bought it for $15, obviously I'm going to start it at the $15. It's just common sense, But there's a lot of things that a dollar start is fine. I just want them gone. I just want the stuff gone, whether we do giveaways or dollar starts, whatever. I did use the car case by ProTech. I do like this protector. It's a great protector. I know the Sterling ones are a little bit stronger, but these ones are super clear, and you can really see the super in there. We currently have a gas shortage. There are no gas stations with gas except for Costco, and of course, I don't know where my Costco card is. I cannot find my Costco card. I'm guessing I could probably walk into the main office and get a duplicate card. I can only imagine how busy it is there. I'm just gonna stay home. I really wanted to go out hunting and check the stores and see what's new. Unfortunately, we cannot do that. I have like 45 miles remaining. I need to wait until the trucks are moving again. I guess they're all stuck in the port because of the flooding. It's a big deal. It's a real issue. Had I known I should have gotten gas, I would have got gas, but nobody told me. I didn't know. I don't really watch the news, and I saw a post on Instagram from Only in Dade, here in Miami, and then it was like, where do we get gas? Everyone's looking for gas, and I was like, uh-oh. Is it going to happen to me? And it did, because other than Costco, I can drive up to a Costco and find some gas. I just don't have my Costco card. My mom's telling me that I can enter her number in, her membership number at the pump, and it will work. I don't know if that's true. I'm trying to call them. They were answering earlier. They're not now. We do have this awesome Datsun model kit. I do want to build it. 1976 Datsun truck R51. I can't believe I'm stuck at home. I mean, because there's no gas. And we're not even in a hurricane. So everyone just went and bought all the gas. So I was telling you before about how I want to make my own LED kit, right? So here's the little 3 mils. Here's a 5 mil So obviously those are a little brighter, but still the 3s are really bright. Here's a list of what color is in each section: red, yellow, green, white, all different sizes, blue as well. So I have every single color. We could do some cool green, some blue, some white, some whatever. I do have the resistors here as well in different levels. And we could do this on the Lego kit, build our own LED underglow for the R34 GTR. I definitely want to just do it myself. I think it will be more fun to solder this up and make our own kit. I think it will be cool. Well, since we can't go out, I don't have any gas. Hopefully something changes, or I don't know. Where did my Costco card go? I mean, it's not in my wallet. It's not in my truck. I must have let somebody borrow it for gas, and I never got it back. It's the only thing I could think of. Oh, the Florida Man needs some prayers, guys. Please, just a quick prayer for the Florida Man. If you have faith and you believe in faith, I need a prayer, please. I'm asking, I'm begging. All right, let's build the Datsun 1976 truck. All right, cool. So we know the deal. We have to unscrew the truck. Oh, there's a. Oh, right. This is covered. That off of there. Oh, there goes some of the stuff. Everything's everywhere now. Whoops. Wow, we definitely got to use the white wall. Probably. Oh, we have like this little. Man, these wheels are tiny. Holy cow. They're so tiny. This is weird, actually. Oh no, I may have got ripped off. There might be 3 white walls. Oh no, cool, it just flipped upside down. Awesome, awesome. Let's put the wheel together just to see how it looks. I can't get the wheel in. There's like an extra piece of plastic on it. Now I see why some of those, it's very hard to see, but right here is a little nib. That's why their wheels are weird sometimes. Like the tires, I mean, they're like angled because of the little injection molding left over. All right, let me build these wheels. I'll be right back. Yeah, so I see what's happening. It's the way they're molding the wheels. That's why the tires sometimes look so funky and out of shape. There's like little pieces of plastic jutting out of the wheel into the tire. I'm gonna unscrew the truck. Then we have to unscrew the base, because that is how you get the motor in, right? Do we have to unscrew the base? I thought we did on the other truck. Why did we have to unscrew the base? Who remembers? Class, anyone paying attention? All right, so there is the truck, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, excellent detail. Ooh, does the hood open reverse? What's going on here? Hello? Oh no, it does. It opens. Oh gosh, it barely opens. Barely. I'm just going to try to slap the motor right in. Which one is it? Yeah, let's use the SR style. It's not really holding for some reason. Maybe we do have to take the base off. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I just didn't have it lined up. Oh yeah, she snapped right in. Pretty cool, man. Little SR motor. I guess it's a 20. I guess there's a turbo on there. Yeah, I guess they did their best to make a little turd ski. So why did we have to undo the base? Or do we even have to? Maybe we don't have to on this one. I felt like we did on the Chevy. On the Chevy 454. Just gonna insert one side of the axle here. Come on. Ow. Well, I'm gonna try to insert one side of the axle. Whoa! Everything's just flying out of that box, man. Oh, come on. This doesn't fit in here. There we go. Just need to give her a little nudge, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this one's not going in, though. This is, man, these things. Come on. Oh. There we go. Okay. One side of the wheel is on, and through the side we go, and then put this on here, you know. Ugh! I got it. I got it, but ooh, oh, it's a little too tight. She's not a roller. Ooh, it's so tall. Ooh, we gotta lower it or something, dude. What? Look how tall. Oh, man. I want it to be lowered. We gotta figure out how to lower this thing. Is it a metal base? It is. It is. We would have to do some drilling and stuff. Oh, man. What a shame. It looks so tall. There we go. Got the back axle on. If you are going to build a model kit, do not squeeze these too tight. See, this is rolling. This is not, because I have the one of these wheels. Oh, there we go. I got it off. Okay. I will just put it on a little bit smoother. There we go. Now, oh wait, axles. Why is there extra axles? You get an axle for each wheel. You're only using one set of axles in this kit. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why are they doing that to us? What a waste of like money a little bit, you know? Oh, I'm like, what's loose on here? It's the ramps. It's the ramps. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it's a little tall, you know. I kind of like the lowered style of the 454, the Chevy, you know, the square body. The lowered drag racy style. It's cool. I mean, there they both are. Are they even in scale? Yeah, maybe. Oh, I don't know, dude. No way. Look, dude, the Datsun is tiny. No way. I don't know, man. That doesn't seem right to me. The Datsun just seems tiny, but maybe that's scale. Maybe it's right. I don't know. Let me put this onto the base just so we have all the parts and pieces together. At least none of the screws were that tight this time. I don't see any scratches on the base from when they put the screws on. Whoop, 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 easy there. Screw number 2 on the base for you. Here we go, and checking out our Datsun truck. I learned how to, oh wait, can't go that tight, I'm flattening the front wheel. I learned how to drive stick on a little Datsun like this. That's also why I like it. My dad would take me out into this field, and he had an extra cab Datsun, same black truck, just like that. Didn't have any cool JDM markings or white wall tires on it, but it was a cool little truck. I don't think the mirrors were here. I think the mirrors were normal, like up there. And it was not, yeah, because it wasn't a 76. It was like an 80-something, 85 maybe. I don't remember. I don't remember the year. But still, pretty cool, man. I would like to have seen it a little bit lower, of course, but it's not too bad. I'm sorry we couldn't do any hunting in today's video, guys. Again, I don't have gas. There's a shortage. I don't know what's going to happen. In the one place I can get gas, they'll probably be sold out any time now. And I can't even go there without my card. So thanks for watching me build the Datsun. Thanks for checking out my Ford 32 Super Treasure Hunt collection. I told you we had 4 and I was going to show you because I don't want anyone thinking I'm doing any trickery. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. Throw the Florida man a prayer, and I'll see you in the next one.